All right, we're back on a Thursday. You know, it's early as hell. If y'all be wondering why I always have nothing to say in the morning, it's because I just woke up. But yeah, top of the morning, we outside, we in class, get into it. I don't know if we gonna have a teacher or not, but yeah. Stop hating, Ariana. You gotta, no matter what. But yeah. So, you'll come along for the ride and see the vibes.
I don't care.
Yo, I really feel like I cooked yesterday.
Paul stripped the ball from your hand. You're an unorthodox fighter. I'm telling you, you're not conventional at all. You got some different fighting style. If I saw a shot, I'm not saying that's you, Tio. I'm just saying, like, I assumed there was people out in this window. Nah, that was terrible hoops from me. I went up for a layup. I don't even know where I shot the ball.
Cookies. Yo, he was bodying shit, yeah. He was bodying shit all game.
Paul was fucking Paul was where is my guy Paul, bro?
Yo, this is a hood classic already.
Supervisor just walked by. Didn't see no teacher. It's so.
Y'all not passing, that's all.
Bro, I don't want to hear nothing from you. I was playing in the rain with a plastic bag over my basketball. I don't want to hear nothing.
Yeah, of course.
That was when I didn't care about whatever the fuck went on in my life. Now I care. Now I care. Play it in slow motion.
Break that shit crazy. Break that shit crazy.
I got Kuiper 1 assist in the game.
Yo, what's the stat line? Wide open.
All that shit was AI. Don't believe none of that. Nothing that you see.
Wide open.
Nice. Yo, me.
Slow-mo.
You said he played good. Go back. You said he played good. I'm about to punch you. I'm about to hit you.
Oh, you a bum.
Now go back. Cause this pissed me off. I was open in the middle. He passes it to Kuiper instead of me.
Nigga missed the layup.
What the fuck? And then look at this. Look at Kuiper. Nice. Like, what the fuck am I watching?
How the fuck? I was supposed to throw it up, but
Yo.
Bro, I was right there.
Poor Kyber. Sean was sweating.
Nah, Sean was sweating.
He was try harder.
Yo, Sean sags when he plays.
Okay, trying to cut through the lane. Pass.
What is Baker doing?
Yo, what the sound
I
at?
hit it off of him. Told you, bro, Kyrie, you can't get a rebound over Paul, bro.
yes, I can.
He was bodying you the whole game. We had to switch. We had to switch.
Nigga,
He was
turn.
guarding.
Oh, look at this layup.
Here you go, Sauce. He almost made that.
Y'all ain't see the Kobe in that shot? Go back. Y'all ain't see the Kobe?
It was
Jermaine could have shot that.
Y'all ain't see that?
just make it.
Look at these go.
There's a fire assist.
There's nothing wrong with the
Nah, that was That was Sean.
That was
Meech
Sean.
to
That was Sean. That was not Kyrie.
Yo, me. Yeah. What you play, 1 or 2?
Look at this. Look at
He's
this.
the one. He's the one. I could tell.
That's why the shit's
Look, that's
the one.
everybody trying to be the one, bro.
I could
I was
tell.
extreme effort.
Bro had Dimer
I
a
was in the
lot.
pack. I almost fell.
Bro had Dimer. Alright.
I'm about to come down with y'all.
Yeah, I'm about to slide, to be honest.
We did them. You just didn't do it.
Yeah, you asleep. Uh-oh. Khalifa and Boots. Khalifa and Boots. Playmaking shit. No, this video was too funny.
Next time I get nice and bring my sneakers, and it's over.
He's doing that. In there. He was hooping.
Yo, yeah,
he was getting buckets.
I don't know how the fuck.
Yeah, that shit pissed me off. When he made that, bro, I was vindicated.
Dude, he was hooping.
Mink, 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 mink.
Lord.
And they dropped it.
Don't tell me Sean is those big men who think they can like. Really put on some
You
shit.
not
No,
Wemby.
Sean is nice though.
But he is.
Not bad.
It was a lot of
Dust and Slippy and shit. Green by CV.
Yeah.
Yeah, Chris almost broke his ankles.
Green release.
I ain't gonna lie, the jump shots
That's why I rewind. I said, huh?
Green release.
Yeah, Mark delayed.
Yo, I got a set shot. I got a set shot.
Bro said, hold on now.
Uh-oh.
Shit chicken though.
What the fuck?
Cause you got fouled, so I just skipped forward, yeah.
Look, another
Yo,
iteration
Peter
where
tried to
Kyber
let-
can't fucking do shit. Oh my gosh.
What school are you playing at that you playing college 3 ball or NBA 3 range?
My school had college too. bro.
Boys and Girls Club.
Mm.
I don't know about that.
Oh
Yeah,
Sean
Sean did the reverse. I was like, yo, what the fuck, Sean?
I never heard that.
Yeah, exactly. I play there. Their shit's further.
The reverse lay was crazy.
Going in Forest Park is also NBA range.
Exactly. Oh, look at this. Oh. Ha!
Nah, he's an ass. He's an ass.
Oh no, I'm smoking.
Yeah.
Ass, bro. Kyber's a different type of butt to get subbed out, bro.
Subbed out for Michael. He got subbed out for Michael. And then he tried to 6-6 tie game, feel me?
I'm telling you, gang. Next time we play, I'm dunking on you. Hey, y'all laughing like I'm joking. Watch.
Yo, I'm gonna be there to get it. Don't worry.
Y'all ain't even seen me jump yet.
I'm gonna put an Anthony.
Why you got body?
Yo, I see. Yo, he pushed the shit out of
Putting
it.
his shoulder down.
What do you mean?
He pushed.
Say word he didn't put his shoulder down.
He pushed the shit out
What
of
is
it.
that? What is that? What is that?
Put
What
his
is
shoulder
that?
down. He's going in for a drive. What is he supposed to do? Drive upright?
Bro, I don't
Tell
break.
me not. Tell me not.
Who goes like this for a drive?
He right.
Who goes like and then he
Who goes like this for a
and
drive?
then he extended his elbow too.
What do you mean extended his elbow?
I'm bugging sec. I'm bugging sec.
Yo, he went.
I'm
you went
bugging
into
sec.
him.
Look, you talking shit.
Yo, you went
Look at
into
that.
him.
I didn't go into
You
it.
went.
Let's see.
Bro, the nigga just mad strong.
He's strong as hell.
Vega, you tried
No.
to intercept him,
No.
and he just
No, he did. He literally went like this. Yeah, Sean was doing the same thing.
Wait.
Tell me, does anybody else see
Slow
an
mo
arm extension, or is he
Slow
just
mo.
Asian?
Boom.
Thank you,
Vega,
thank you, bro. Nigga extended his arm.
bumped you, then he extended.
During,
It's
all
different. It's different if he drove with his arm extended already.
So, like,
He hit you shoulder
but
first
he
because
extended
he's
it as he was
driving.
pushing.
So
Did
what's
he
the
not?
difference?
He didn't even make
Well,
it.
he made space. He would have made it.
He broke the shit out of that shit.
On Kyber, he made 2. When he was
Yeah,
when I was
Kyber
guarding
had
him, he
2
didn't make
points.
shit.
That was a
He tried to pass it to me because I was already open, but he fucking launched it.
Go set it above the fence.
Lit.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, he breathed so bad.
Yeah, I'm trying to hoop with y'all now. That got me excited. I was watching this and I was like, damn, I really missed out.
I missed out the first day, so don't feel
I
bad.
ain't seen you jump yet, bro.
I think no, that's MP.
Oh, he
That
gonna
was
take.
actually four.
And then he just threw the ball away.
That's your
That was
highlight?
Dooley.
That's your highlight?
Nah.
Jump.
Dooley, nigga, the sun was in my face.
Khalifa, what were you doing? You were like,
Where's the ball at? Where's the ball at? Where's the ball at?
It's over your hands.
Can you even see the screen?
Nah, I don't think so. Oh, there you go.
Khalifa, bro.
Yo,
That shit went right over.
yo, it's alright, bro. It's alright, bro. It's alright, bro. You trying to get the quick release, and then this guy just.
If I would've got that.
Yeah, he was tight so much because it kept going in and out for him. I was crying.
Meet your hot head.
That's that no.
Like,
He
yeah.
did it himself. Like he'd be like, oh, he got mad at Kyler.
Yeah, definitely. He subbed them out.
Something about is crazy.
Yeah, for Michael.
He dead ass subbed him out.
Yo, that shit was funny.
Nigga Mike came in, didn't even know who was in the game.
Yeah.
Bro, I almost slipped. I dead ass almost slipped.
Vega called his
That's
son.
it, though.
Cookies. He was in the lane.
Seen that shit.
Give me that.
I should have bounced it.
Yeah.
Would have been better.
Real Pat.
And then a steal back again
Yo,
by
yeah,
Teal.
you
I don't know who the fuck
You missed it, but Jameek
And then this shit was crazy. He tried to, like Jordan. He tried to go crazy.
How sweaty did y'all come back to class?
Extremely.
We was in the shop either way. I'm not.
Yeah, we
was in
went.
the shop.
That's the crazy part. We went. We
At the end of
was.
the day, nobody's gonna care because
I'm
everybody
Tama.
else is hooping. Like,
Yeah, it was a whole other class there.
Oh, another one.
Cookies.
Got that shit. Took it out the ground. Locked down defense.
Jameek is like a lockdown defender.
Low key.
Yeah, he locked you down.
He's not ready to go.
That's not what happened.
Oh.
The power of AI is so like.
I
How many games y'all
know.
playing?
AI.
One.
God, you're so.
No, this nigga Jameek smacked it back in.
Yo, and then it went in. I'm like, damn. Oh.
Yeah.
How you living, my boy?
There's-
From Gregory class.
There you go. Top of the morning.
Top of the morning.
Yeah, he's having a great day already. I can tell.
Yeah, I could tell.
Yo, how many fingers am I holding up? How many fingers am I holding up? Huh? He's cool.
Yo.
Oh, Jester from 3.
Uh-oh. He said.
No. Give it back to me. I'm shooting it. Give it back to me.
You know.
Give it back to me.
Uh-oh.
Khalifa was so tight. You can see it. You can see it in the paint. Nigga Khalifa got. He's like,
I know. I don't care.
Yo, bro, I think he Curry.
yo, and then this.
Nah.
Now, yeah, we couldn't see. Whoever came early.
Nah, but I fuck with Meech because Meech did it back.
Meats did it back like a retard, thinking the game was almost done.
Half court is crazy.
Almost got it over the fucking gate.
He would have.
I thought me
Yo.
and him was gonna keep going back and forth. You would have had to run around.
Right.
So I got your midterm coming up soon, right?
Do we? I don't recall.
Yeah, something like that. Damn.
I don't recall.
Nigga Paul hit that?
Yeah, he did.
What the score check?
Oh, I didn't put score?
Nah.
Oh shit, editor. What are you doing?
Yeah, you in cross.
Yeah, I can't move in those.
Pull that, dude. Nah, you should have pulled that.
Yo, that screen. I was like, yo, nigga playing screens? What the?
Nah, I called Dooley with a fucking crazy
Playing
ass
screen? Yo, you was cutting through the lanes crazy. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, don't even get me started with
I watched
that.
that way too much. Nah, yeah.
And then he dunked,
Well, he tried. Nigga rimmed it out. Damn.
hanging on the rim.
I hate this monkey shit.
83 is wicked. 40 free throws is wicked.
40.
third quarter, he was like 30 for 37.
Yeah.
What the fuck, bro?
Nigga.
Bro had like 30 something in just the first quarter. I said, huh?
Oh, you trying? Ooh.
The thing with Dame is that him is a guard. Him is a guard trap and a big ass nigga guard.
Word. He moved like that.
Like, he's so versatile, bro.
Yeah.
And the thing is that he's a hustler.
Look, open three decides to do that.
Kybers.
You know he got stamina.
Kybers sold out.
Yeah.
Kybers sold out.
There's a couple people that's like that, bro.
Uh-oh.
Don't be over here dying. I was like, wait, hold on. Wait.
Let me take a breather.
He's like, wait, hold on.
I forgot how to read,
Finally.
Wait, was he supposed to be here earlier? Was he supposed to be here earlier? Or you just found out you're supposed to be here?
Break time.
Yo, I never thank you for that $500 sent yesterday, bro.
This guy.
I appreciate you. Cause you know, you always sending me 200 every week. You know, I don't have this shit. I really appreciate you. Real ass nigga, bro. And I like that new beats you got, bro. That shit fire, bro. $50? This the rich guy right here. This what Oh no. That's the money guy right here. Like, anything I need, he got it for me, bro. Oh, look at
Electron.
Which part?
Which parts of the atom are negatively charged? Huh? Sure?
Yeah, because you got it wrong.
Oh my gosh, I'm so fucking smart.
Damn.
What is
Yes.
Remember, this is a quiz, nigga.
I know, right?
So,
So which of the following statement is true regarding this atom?
This atom is has a positive charge.
Are you sure?
I'm absolutely positive.
So what makes
More
it
than
have five?
Huh? Because there's more protons than neutrons, than electrons. I used to do math and calculus.
I was counting for you. I was proving it to you. You said no.
So how can an ion be created?
I clicked the wrong one. Fuck, I'm not paying attention.
The speed is low because there's not a lot of electrons. I'm pretty sure. I'm not gonna press it. I'm gonna let him get to it.
Neutrons, protons, or electrons?
Adding and subtracting electrons. Yeah. Speed is low.
Alright, peace and love. We're about to go to the job fair. We're about to go to the fair. Yeah. But yeah, you know the vibes. Another video in the books, another day in the books. Hope y'all doing good. Thank you for the subs, the likes. I appreciate y'all.